Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to check who has read your message in a WhatsApp group. Whether you're managing a project or just curious about who's keeping up with the conversation, this feature can be incredibly useful. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet. Next, navigate to the group chat where you sent the message you want to check. Scroll to find the specific message you're interested in. Now, tap and hold on that message. You'll notice some options appear at the top of your screen. Look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. From the drop-down menu, select Info. This will take you to the Message Info screen, where you can see detailed information about your message. Here's what you'll find. Under Read By, you'll see a list of group members who have read your message. This confirms that they've seen it. Below that, under Delivered To, you'll see members who have received the message, but haven't read it yet. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily track who has read your messages in a WhatsApp group. Keep in mind that this feature works best if group members have their read receipts turned on. If someone has disabled read receipts, their activity won't show up here. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're ready to manage your group chats more effectively.